A Dior daddy. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mike and I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, chic shithead, and also I'm a Dior daddy. Today's video is going to be a review of this little multifunctional Dior bag that I recently got in France. What I like, what I don't like, what fits, ways to wear, things like that. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching, okay? Okay. So I got this, I don't know if you guys watched the video about when I got this, but I got it in France and it's actually from the kids section. It's a little girl's bag, I believe. So it was in baby Dior. But it's like so, first of all, let's just talk about how well made it is. Like, I love all the attention to detail. We've got a little like CD here. We've got the Dior there. I mean, it says Dior everywhere. It's very nice though. So it's basically two little things that are attached to a strap. You can obviously wear it like I was just wearing it. You can take this off and just wear it, you know, one strap. Probably wear the shouldery too if you wanted to. Cross. Or you could take this off completely and just kind of wear it like a little clutch, little pouch. You can use it as a pouch, put it in something else. It's got multifunctional, like it said. I guess you could also just wear the strap with this. Although, what would you connect it to? Interesting. Oh, maybe you could do it like that. Would that be weird? I definitely think this is weird, but we're gonna try it anyway, because why not? Oh, like a little pouch. Like a little pouch. I don't know how I feel about this, but not no. I mean, right? So, in terms of practicality, like, let's talk about this. This doesn't really fit that much. So like you can put a couple of random little things in here, like lipstick, you can put a charger, you could probably put like some coins, some change. It doesn't fit credit cards. I don't really know why they make these, like what's the point? I'm trying to think. Like, see, like this doesn't fit, like a card holder won't fit. You could put some like chapstick, maybe a snack, like a little snack. In case you were really parched and you needed it right here, right now. But yeah, it's not like the most practical. It's just cute and round. And again, made for a kid. So maybe it's for kid things that are much smaller for them to keep their little kid things. So, but I do like it. What I really like about this bag is that because it's a kid's bag, nobody really has it. And when I do wear it, even with the store, if you watch my video, like people wanted it and they couldn't find it. The other sales associates couldn't find it because they were like, what is that bag? What is that bag? And my sales associate had to tell them that it's from the kids section, because we had to go to the kids section and get it and bring it here. Because all these people were like trying to buy it if we weren't, because they thought it was so cool. Mostly because they probably hadn't seen it before and because it was different. But it's literally a kid's bag. So I do like that. It's a little more rare, not as common, but I mean, it is the Dior pattern, is flashy. But this little thing fits, it fits a decent amount, right? Like, it's not like gonna carry your life in it, but your phone will go in. If this is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, fits in, my wallet in, get the charger in. Let's get a charger in. It's got one little pocket in here for like other things. One little slim pocket so you can, like put some other stuff. I mean, this is probably pretty full. So if I wanted to put like a snack and my car keys or house keys, that would be a good amount. So we're gonna put a snack in the little pouch. No, we're gonna put a snack in the regular thing. And then I don't have my keys on me, but they're not that big, so we can just assume. But yeah, like that's pretty full. So kind of like daily essentials, but it doesn't like look, it's good, It's like the size of this, a rectangular mini or a wallet on chain. Definitely not that. It's wider than that. I mean, it's a good size width-wise, length-wise. It's a good length. Probably could be a little thicker, maybe a little taller, but other than that, pretty good. It's like a little pouch. I mean, you could probably make this your like toiletry pouch. Actually, this would be a great toiletry pouch. It'd fit a lot for your toiletries. It also would be a great like school pouch, like pencils and pens and stuff. Again, for kids, so probably what it was intended for, right? I don't know. But the lining inside's really nice. It's soft. It's just really well made. Great job, Dior. For my first Dior, it's pretty good. Not gonna lie. And I remember I said this is my first Dior purchase that's not clothes. I was wrong. I did have a Dior wallet that I got with my friend Leo in high school, college. One of my first wallets that I got ever. with him, like for his fancy wallets, and it was like all black. I have it somewhere. If I find it, I'll take it out. Oh man, I wish I had it right now. Where is it? It's got to be somewhere nearby. Anyway, my first dog Charlie bit all the corners one night while I was sleeping and like chewed it, so the corners were bitten off. It's kind of destroyed, but I still kept it. And my friend Leo, he used to have a duct tape wallet in college, or he would like duct tape the corners of his wallet when it broke. So I was thinking about duct taping the corners for it, and I did for a second, but I ended up not using it. But I still have it for memories. So that's my first Dior purchase. Anyway, side story. I should find it in post and do a little click on it. I'm gonna try to find it. Note to self, make sure you find it. All in all, like not too bad for, so this was it's $2,100 in the US. It was 1,600 euros in France last year, minus the VAT, so it was like 13 something. So for $1,300, not bad. Relatively, comparatively, you know, all of that stuff, preface, you know, luxury and stuff like that, prices. Okay, that's all I got. I feel like I have more to talk about this, but I don't. It's so cute. Yay, yummy. Mwah. Yo, and the packaging is oh so great. Okay, bye! That's it! Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. I know your time is valuable, and I appreciate you spending your time here with me. Thank you. Bye.